Select rows from a data frame based on true or false in a column in Pandas. Select rows from a data frame based on true or false in a column in Pandas. For example, I want to select a row in conditions like is. I tried to look at Pandas documentation but did not find the answer.
Not sure the most efficient way but using Ixmax. Output.
It seems to me that a simple should do the trick. At least your given example would work that way.